Hello everyone, this is your weather on the fly outlook and discussion for Tuesday, June 27, 2023. Heavy rainfall advisory. Flash flooding possible. Satellite imagery showed a robust mesoscale system tracking through the lower Mississippi Valley this afternoon. Based on surface observations, a cold pool and resulting meso-high have formed just north of the main line tracking southeast. The air mass out ahead of the mesoscale system is primed to maintain these storms. Maximum hourly rainfall rates up to 3 inches per hour possible may lead to instances of flash flooding, especially in urbanized communities and poor drainage areas.